all. I hope everybody is fine. Now let us welcome back to our second part 2 session. Okay. So in part 1 session, what did we see? In part 1, we saw what happened in the evening time for the leak. Yeah, we talked about the leak. So who is that leak? Okay, and what is that leak? So have you understood what is that leak? Yeah. Yes, it is nothing but the potter, okay, that is a man. Now today, in the same day, on the same day evening we saw, but that day, afternoon what had happened, let us see now. That is part 2. In the afternoon, let us see what happened. On the afternoon of that day, a potter had arrived home after a hard day's work. He was tired and thirsty. He had asked his wife for some palm wine. The more he drank, the better he felt. When he had drunk all the wine, he no longer felt tired. So, on the day afternoon, he came to home. Okay, after working morning to afternoon, he came in the afternoon, lunchtime, and he was so tired and he was so thirsty also. So, what did he do? He drank he had asked his wife for some palm wine. He had asked. The more he drank, the better he felt. So how much more he drink that palm wine, the better he will feel. He will not feel tired. When he had drunk all the wine, he no longer felt tired. When the storm began, the potter suddenly remembered that he had left his donkey tied under a tree. So actually there was a storm. Okay. Like almost going to maybe the climatic conditions were changing. That time suddenly he remembered his donkey which was tied under a tree. Then he rushed out of his house to take that animal into the stable. So to take that one into the stable, he rushed out. You can imagine his anger when he discovered that the donkey was not there anymore. The only thing left was its chain. So when he went and saw in the shed, there the donkey was not there near the tree. Okay, so that time you can imagine how his anger will be. Already the climatic conditions were changing and almost it is going to rain like it is. And this donkey was missing, it is not seen. Now he is in lot of anger mode. So my stupid donkey must have run off into the forest. Oh, this stupid donkey would have run off in the forest. He grumbled like that. Grumbled means in bad temper, he is shouting. He is scolding that. When I catch him, I will give him a good beating. So when I catch that donkey, I will give him good beating, he thought. Then he went in search of his donkey. The potter walked through the wet forest. When it became dark, he often stumbled over roots and fallen branches. So already it is becoming dark now. Okay, and his donkey was in jungle. With each step, the potter felt angrier and angrier with his donkey. So as it is becoming evening and evening, like 3, 4, 5, okay, it is becoming dark and he is getting lot of anger. When I catch him, I will tie him up under tree all night. He muttered to himself. Muttered means he said in a voice which can be barely, okay, he heard. So he thought that when this donkey, when I catch it, I will tie it to the tree all whole night. Hours later, after a few hours, the potter reached the old woman's hut. So that was evening, okay, that when we talked the part 1, evening time. So it became evening now. He saw a woman's hut there. There he saw this animal sleeping in front of the door. So that time he saw this animal sleeping in front of the door. There he is, he shouted. There he is, the stupid animal. Oh, there it is. I should go and catch that stupid donkey, he thought. The drunken potter, actually the potter is in drunken state. He have already drunk. He did not notice the difference between the donkey and the tiger because as he is in drunken state, he could not notice that whether it is donkey or tiger. He was confused. The tiger is looking for him like a donkey in that situation. He kicked and bit the sleeping tiger. He then jumped onto the frightened animal's back, rode it home and then tied it up with the iron chain. So that is what is happened, okay. In part 1 we saw that. So he kicked and he sat on back of it and he he rode it to the home. Finally, he tied to a tree in front of his hut. So that is what happened. So evening time and afternoon time onwards, actually why it happened, why the potter did not recognize this tiger, that is the reason. Okay, and this tiger, what it thought, by her hearing the woman's words and all, the tiger thought, the man who is sitting on the back of tiger, it thought that it is a leak, maybe it is a kind of big animal, it thought, and it thought that better it should obey him, otherwise maybe he will kill me, it thought, and silently the tiger also moved along with him. Okay, yes. So that day evening over, now afternoon over, now next day he tied enough. So next day morning what happened, let us see. Next day morning. Next morning, the villagers who passed the potter's house looked in amazement at the tiger tied to the tree. Soon the news spread throughout the village that the potter had caught a tiger and tied it to a tree in his yard. All the villagers praised his courage. They also thanked him because the tiger had eaten many of their goats and buffaloes. They had tried to catch him for many. They have tried to catch him for many years, but had failed. Of course, the potter said that he had done nothing of the sort. He said that he had only brought his donkey home. He did not understand how a donkey could change into a tiger. When he saw the tiger, he fainted. So next day morning, what had actually happened is, who are passing in front of his hut and all, always surprised and always really felt very happy that this potter had caught this tiger. Why? Because this tiger is from so many years, so many days onwards, this tiger is killing their goats and buffaloes. So it became so problematic for them. They tried for so many days to catch the tiger, but they couldn't catch. And finally when they saw this tiger in front of this potter's house, they really appreciated him. But this man is telling, potter is telling that I didn't do anything, I just brought my donkey home, he was thinking. But actually when he saw that donkey is not the donkey and it is tiger, and he got fainted and he fell down. Okay, actually in drunken state he couldn't recognize, but next day morning when he saw, he came to know that it is not the donkey, it is a tiger tied up there. Okay, yes. So here he did not understand how this donkey could change. So he did not understood how I bought donkey now, how it changed to tiger. He was confused. So when he saw the tiger, he fainted. Okay, fainted means he lost his consciousness. Okay, nobody, however, believed the potter's story. Okay, potter said that I bought only donkey, I did not do anything, I did not catch the tiger and all. But the villagers are not ready to hear. They are believing, they believe that this potter is great and he is brave. Okay, the villagers even praised him for being modest. How simple, he have done a great job, but he is not accepting that he have done it. How modest he is, how simple he is. Soon the potter became very famous. So all the village people came to know about the greatness of this potter. Okay, they are thinking that this potter is very brave. Okay, and all the other villagers also came to know about the braveness of this potter because of catching this tiger. Everybody who met him called him the brave potter. So whoever meet him, whoever talk to him, they are saying for him, he is a brave potter. The simple potter himself never understood why. He is a simple only, he did not do any brave thing, but he did not understood why these people are saying me brave and all. Okay, so that is the part 2, children, and next part 3 we will continue in the next session. Okay.